Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought everyone favorite and special recipe, dosa recipe. Everyone ate already plain dosa or masala dosa. But today we brought special dosa recipe. It called vegetable dosa recipe. It is a very tasty recipe. Someone make this dosa at their home very easily, and someone cannot make dosa at their home very easily because they don't have any proper tawa for the dosa, or they cannot spread the dosa above the tawa. Today we have brought a special technique for making the dosa without dosa tawa, also without spreading any dosa batter above the dosa tawa. Please watch this recipe till end and learn how to make the dosa without dosa tawa. Also, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also, if you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. So let's go and see how this tasty and crispy recipe made very easily. For making this recipe, first I take dosa batter. After that I take potato. I chopped the potato. Then I take cabbages. I chopped it also. After that I take carrot. I chopped the carrot also. Then I take salt and turmeric powder, also some water. Now I take a karai and give some oil to it. After that I will heat it. After heating it, now I will give the cabbages into it. Now I give some salt into it. I don't give any turmeric powder now. After giving the salt, I will mix these cabbages very nicely and fry it for 1 minute. After frying it, now I will give the chopped carrot into it. After that, I will give some salt and turmeric powder into it. Now I will mix it with the cabbages and carrot very nicely and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see our cabbages and carrots fried very nicely. Now I will put it down on a plate. Now I take the boiled potato and mashed it into a ball with my hand. You can see how to mash it. You have to mash all the potatoes like this. You can see I mashed all the potatoes very nicely. Now I take a karai and give some oil into it. Now I will heat the oil very nicely. After heating it, now I will give the smashed potato into it. After that I will give salt and turmeric powder above it. Now I will mix this salt and turmeric powder with the boiled potato very nicely and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes. Friends, you can see our potatoes fried very nicely. Now I will put it down on a ball. Now I will make the liquid form of the dosa batter. For this I will take some dosa batter into a bowl. After that I will give some salt into it. Now I will mix the salt with the batter very nicely. Then I will give some water into it. I don't give all the water at a time. I give little amount of water and mix it like this and check the density of the mixture. For making professional dosa, they take the batter very thick, but I make this batter very light. You can see it. I mix some water now. You can see the density of the batter. You can see it. I think I need more water now. Now I will mix some water. After that I will mix it very nicely and make a light batter. You can see our batter make very nicely. I show you the density. You can see it is very light. I show you another time. You can see it is very light. So friends, now our batter is ready for making a dosa. Now I take a cookware and give some oil above it. You can see how to give it. We don't take any dosa tawa for making this. You can take any type of cookware for making this. Now I will give some water above it. When all the water dries like this, you think our cookware is ready for the dosa. Now I will give a spoon of batter into it. I give 1 spoon batter here. After giving 1 spoon batter, you can see I don't spread the batter with the spoon. When I give 1 spoon batter, then I spread the batter with the tawa like this, round and round. You have to spread the batter with the cookware like this. You can see I spread the batter into the cookware without any spoon. So you can see our batter spread very nicely into the cookware. After seeing this batter, you can think that it make a thick batter. But I guaranteed you, please watch the video till end and I show you without spreading the batter with spoon, you can make a light dosa with this batter and make a crispy dosa also. After giving the dosa batter, then we will make the flame high. If you make the flame high, all the water from the dosa batter will be evaporated very easily. After few minutes, you can find there will be some crack into the batter. That means our water dried very nicely. After that, we will give the oil like this. You can see how to give the oil around the dosa batter. You have to give like this. After giving the oil, you have to make the flame low. If you don't make the flame low, the dosa will be not become crispy. It will be burn out. Now we will share some secrets with you. I first told you that we will make the batter very light. As you can see, everywhere make the dosa batter very thick. But today we give lots of water into the dosa batter and make a light dosa. Because if you make the dosa very thick, we cannot make the dosa batter into the cookware. Because we cannot make the round shape of the dosa batter into a cookware. That's why we take a light batter for this dosa, so we can round this dosa around this a cookware. Also, we can evaporate the water from this dosa very easily with the flame, and we can make a crispy dosa for you. That's why we take the batter very light. Now you can see our batter become very crispy. You can see. You can remember when we give the batter into this cookware, it was very thick. But you can see now it looks very light and crispy. You can see it. Now I will try to remove the dosa from the outside and I show you how light it is and it looks very crispy. You can see I can make the dosa very easily. Now I will give the potato and cabbage or carrot mixture. First I give the potato mixture into it. After that I will give the cabbage and carrot mixture above it. You can see I give very nicely. Now I will try to fold this dosa from the both sides. First we try to remove the dosa from the cooker of the outside. Now I fold one side. After that I will try to fold from this another side. You can see how to remove and fold. You can see I fold the another part also. So friends, you can see our dosa looks very delicious and crispy. Also we made the dosa without any dosa tawa. And you can make this recipe very easily. So friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. And subscribe my channel. So bye for today.